So this is Tylena. How old are you?
6. I'm 7.
7 years old. And how long have you been getting adjusted for?
Long time.
A few months? Do you like it? Yeah? Good. So we're just going to explain why we adjust children. And kids are very active. So many times during the course of the day they fall, they run, they jump. And then they have poor posture on top of that. And their spines can go out of alignment. And when the spine goes out of alignment, it can put pressure on the nerves coming out of the spine, going to different parts of the body. So what we do is we gently feel where the spine's out of alignment, and we give an adjustment. How'd that feel?
Good.
You like that? And it doesn't hurt. And what we're doing is taking pressure off the nerves exiting the spine to help the body not only feel better, but also so those nerves allow the body to function better. So all the information from the brain is getting through the body clearly. Turn on your side. And this is how we do the lumbar, the lower back. And you head back for me. Good job. We call this the pretzel. Good. Other side. And back on your stomach, on your belly. Good. And we always want to make sure they're nice and even. And she is, because she's been getting adjusted for a while. And then we just do a nice adjustment with the neck. That's it. Come on up. And that's an adjustment. You get a high five? Power's on. Well done.